Your house is a mess right now, and you know it. You keep promising you'll fix it this weekend. Then the weekend comes, you look at the pile, and something in you just shuts down. So you leave it, and it grows. Here's what nobody told you. You're not lazy. You've just been doing it backwards. The Japanese don't burn Saturdays scrubbing floors. They stop the mess before it starts, with tiny habits repeated every single day. A clean home was never about how hard you work. It's about the system running underneath. 1. Shoes off at the door. Most of the filth in your house walked in on your shoes. Kill the dirt at the threshold, and it never gets in. 2. Reset the room on your way out. Cup goes to the kitchen, book goes back, jacket gets hung. A trashed house is just 50 little things nobody put away. Handle each one now, and the pile never forms. 3. The 1-minute wipe. After a shower, wipe the walls. After cooking, wipe the counter while it's still warm. That's not cleaning, that's maintenance. And maintenance beats scrubbing baked-on grime 3 weeks later. 4. Everything owns a spot. Keys on the hook, mail in the tray. When every object has one home, tidying stops being a decision. Clutter isn't a flaw, it's a missing system. 5. Clean while you cook. Rinse the board while the sauce simmers. By the time the plate hits the table, the kitchen's already done. No cleanup waiting, no guilt. 6. The nighttime reset. 10 minutes before bed, everything gets put right. Wake up to order, and you feel calm before your coffee. 10 minutes tonight rewrites your whole morning. 7. Own less. Fewer things means less to wipe around, less to sort, less to gather up. Most of what fills your home you never even touch. Let it go. Today, not someday. 8. The 2-minute rule. If it takes under 2 minutes, do it now. Those small jobs pile into a 30-minute grind on Saturday. Do it now or resent yourself later. 9. Clean by category, not by room. Monday, every mirror. Tuesday, every floor. One job, once, everywhere. And you fall into a rhythm that never lets things get bad enough to dread. 10. The 5-minute morning tidy. Make the bed. Clear last night's cup. A made bed makes the whole room read as clean. When your home looks clean, you protect it. The Japanese don't out-clean you. They out-think you. They starve messes instead of letting them grow. They spend minutes instead of weekends. You were never lacking effort. You were lacking a system. Don't try all 10 tomorrow. Pick one that feels almost too easy. Run it for a week, then add the next. Because a clean home was never about looks. It's about how you feel the second you walk through the door. If this helped, hit subscribe. Tell me in the comments, which habit are you starting with? See you in the